I have a sleep restoration heating pad that is flashing F. I learned online that indicated a poor connection, and I tried making sure the prongs connect properly several times, with no luck.
What's the brand and model of your HVAC unit? How old is it?
I have had it a few years. Model hash is C1757303.
How long has this been going on? What have you tried so far?
Just started last night. I disconnected the prong and unplugged it, reconnected prong and then plugged it back in several times, left it unplugged at both ends overnight. Still not working.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I found another model number on it, PM02 if that helps. Posted by JustAnswer at customer's request. Hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you. Live phone call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed.
Please read carefully and reply. Hello, welcome to JustAnswer. My name is I am the category moderator. I apologize for the wait. I wanted to reach out to see if you still need assistance with your question. Please use the reply box below to let me know if you'd like to continue or cancel. If you were attempting to reach a different company, please let me know that as well. Thank you. Roman moderator.
Just want to know if heating pad can be replaced, as I have tried everything recommended to fix it. Am I getting the proverbial runaround?
Poor connection at one or other end. More likely at the pad end due to movement while asleep. Is it under warranty?
Not sure. Do you know who makes sleep restoration heating pads?
Not sure what you mean by that. Have you contacted supplier? Everything comes from China these days. https://www.manico.com/
No. The brand name of heating pad is Sleep Restoration. Got it from Amazon.
Manufactured in Asia and distributed to the world via Amazon. Best to contact Amazon as the supplier to see what they recommend.
Thanks.
You can check the electrical integrity with a multimeter if you are willing and able. However, a loose connector will be intermittent. You are very welcome. Please remember to rate my input favorably using the star ratings at the top of the page, to show your appreciation, and to close the file before you leave. It is the only acknowledgement we receive for our time and knowledge. If you need more help with this, just ask. Regards, Martin, in the land of Oz.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.